Hi everyone, Somi here from InPeak with another episode of Investor of the Day. Every Monday to Friday, we bring you an angel investor, a family office, or a VC who shares their investment thesis so that you know what they're looking for. Today, we are featuring Toby McCoy from Studio VC. They are a seed investor from New York who primarily invest in B2B SaaS and fintech.
So our investment thesis in one sentence is that we're a seed stage fund. So we invest in companies that are post products and typically have a little bit of revenue. And we're really into that sweet spot in terms of B2B SaaS, fintech, and SaaS-enabled marketplaces. So a common trait that we see across most of our founders in our portfolio today, and one that we always look for in the investment process, is the ability to be adaptable and to provide rigor and process across the organization, particularly investing in a company at seed stage. So much of the work is still to be done, and oftentimes by a very small team. So having a founder that's adaptable, is willing to work across the business line, and really instill processes and rigor in their company from early on is a fantastic trait, and is one that we really seek out. So deal breaker for us, generally outside of sector or specific things outside of our mandate, is an ability to communicate and work well with people. And we see that in terms of the investment process, and really what that has an influence on further down the line is ability to attract customers, further fundraising, and really just build a team around them. Particularly at the stage that we're investing in, we're typically investing in people, right? So people that have got the pedigree to go ahead and achieve their goals, go ahead and raise the next round and really drive the company to success. So the piece of advice that I would give to founders is understanding that oftentimes we'll meet founders that are in their first ever fundraising process, first time having a startup, and really, having worked as a VC and worked as an operator as well, is understanding that fundraising takes time. It's a hard process. You're going to have to talk to a lot of people to fit the people that are really going to be able to drive outcomes with you and lead you to success. So be patient, and the right investors will hopefully come true. So being at seed stage, exit is typically quite a long way away for us. However, I think it's built into the foundations of the company. Being realistic in what your target market is, where you can go within that, and looking for opportunities that may appear down the line, whether that's by an IPO, selling to a strategic, or selling to financial. All of those become more apparent as the company goes on, but building those solid foundations and having a clear vision that you can track back to is massively important to us. And we aim to instill that value in founders from the beginning. Just because we speak to so many companies and so many good companies, it's often hard to find the time just to follow up with people directly. So any way you can get in touch by email, giving us a call, or even just sending further materials to help support our investment committee decisions.
I hope you enjoyed today's episode of Investor of the Day. Make sure to join us at inpeak.xyz, where we have daily live webinars, masterclasses, panels, and networking opportunities. We now also have a forum where you can hang out with other founders and investors and build your network.